Welcome everyone to Vert Dogs. Today, we've got some serious ripping about to go down. We've got Jeromy Green, Josh Rodriguez for an awesome game of skate here on this amazing vert ramp at the Braille house.
My name is Jeromy Green. I have been skating for about 14 years. I started when I was like 11. I'm from San Diego, California, in a town called Hamul. I think I've got a trick that I know Andy might be able to do, but it's to caveman from the very top of that ledge up there, the beam up there. I think I could caveman in there. I don't know if anyone else could do that. Maybe Andy.
Name, Josh Rodriguez. Age, just turned 30. I've been skating for roughly 14 years, and originally from Inland Empire, Upland, Ontario, Chino, Montclair area. All right, one trick I think I can do that none of them can do. Rock and roll.
Big shout out to all of our sponsors, 888-187 Pads and Skate Light, for making this ramp nice and grippy today. I'm Andrew Cannon, I'm here with Nigel Jones, and then we've got the man himself, Adam Taylor. He's going to be judging everything he says goes, right?
Let's see a good, clean fight.
Here are the rules for Vert Dogs. We brought in 8 of the best vert skaters to compete for a $1,500 cash prize. The contestants will play a game of skaters against each other. Each skater will call their trick, and the other has to do the same. If they succeed, they're safe. If they don't land it, then they get a letter. The skaters will alternate setting their tricks. When a skater gets all their letters, they're eliminated, and the winner moves on to the next round. Let's see who's going to take the top spot. Let's get into the event.
Rochambeau, you can pick how you do it. You can do it hands, you can do it with your boards. What do you want?
How many fingers am I holding up?
2.
Oh wait, I didn't hold any yet.
All
right.
Oh.
3. All right.
All right. Okay, there we go.
3.
4.
I don't even know what's
I'm
happening.
so confused.
Wait.
One more.
Wait, but I was close. Oh, we gotta go.
Oh no, yeah. Okay, so far he wins.
Okay, what are we doing?
You win, you go first.
Oh. All right, there we go, I guess.
I was sitting here like, all right, how does this game work? And then he's just like, all right, you win. All right, cool.
Everything
I
about
still don't
that
know.
was so confusing.
Well, we got a game now. All right, how are we starting it off?
Blunt fakie.
Blunt fakie.
Counts.
Yeah! Effective.
Yes, it's good. That counts. All right, here we go. Jeremy's try.
Do you think he's got it?
This is gonna be a new one for him.
Almost there.
That's
Josh now
like
draws
real
blood.
high hang-up factor.
Backside bonus to disaster.
is he at?
It's E to E.
Tied
It's
up
like
again.
just juggling
It's like a
back
game.
and forth.
That is messed up, man.
All right, we're getting close.
I can't even imagine that trick. Like,
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
You should only get a half a letter because that was such a good try.
Oh! Oh! Oh my goodness! Oh! Oh no! Oh no! Woo! Be safe!
yeah, that's true. You could.
He's calling it. He's calling it.
Dude, you are gnarly. What about that eggplant revert? Is that what you call it?
Yeah, that's why I was looking at you for like good because I didn't feel my hand on coping.
It was, yeah. I thought in my head I was thinking like his hand wasn't on the coping, but I was okay with it. I would have said something.
Again, we want to say thank you so much, 888-187 and Skate Light for making this ramp nice and grippy. That was an insane game of skate right there.
Crazy.
Do the honors.
So we have a winner. Young Mr. Jeromy over here. Camaraderie in this game right now was just truly inspirational. So definitely follow these guys on Instagram.
Here's the updated bracket. This series is going to be playing every Wednesday right here on this YouTube channel, or you can watch the entire series now on the Braille Army Plus membership.
I hope you guys enjoyed these series we got going on with the Vert Dogs over here at the Braille House. Incredible talent coming through the Braille House. So definitely, if you like this series, like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Some videos to my left, check them out. We'll see you guys in the next game.